Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the another video. iOS 26.1 beta 3 is out, as you can see, and in this video I'm going to talk about this update. And as you can see, the update size is about almost 12 gigs. It is 11.3 gigs, and it is way higher than the beta 2. For me, beta 2 was around 2 gigs, if you did remember last week. And after a week, iOS 26.1 beta 3 is out, which means Apple is now on a weekly cycle with the iOS 26.1. It also means 26.1 is going to release this month. Now, how you can install this update is quite simple. Simply get into settings, get into journal, and get into software update. Make sure you have selected iOS 26 developer beta. It is a developer beta, so developer beta is out. If you are on public beta, you might have wait for a while and it will come soon. But for now, it's for the developer beta. It is out for the developer beta. Now the big thing is, should you install this update or not? I haven't installed this update yet. I'm gonna install this update right after this video. But this is a big thing, that if you are already on maybe developer beta 2 or something like that, go and install this update. But if you are not on developer beta and you are on iOS 26.0.1, maybe I will not recommend you guys to install this update. If I go to my other device and see if the iOS 26.0.1 is out, and as you can see, it is checking update, and 26.0.2 is not out yet, although it is pretty much confirmed. If you guys don't know, I already did a video about that. You can go to my channel and check out that video. It might be coming this week, it might be coming next week, but my best guess is that iOS 26.0.2 will be coming next week. But for now, iOS 26.1 beta 3 is out. Now, if you follow me for from so many days, I always talk about the first thing, that is a battery life. That is the most important thing, because battery life is something that most people care about. And I haven't installed this update, so I cannot talk about the battery life, but I can for sure talk about what we can expect in terms of battery life. So if I go like couple of days back and see how 26.1 beta 2 was performing, I used 92% battery life, as you can see, and I got 7 hours and 47 minutes screen on time. Now, this is definitely a decent screen on time, but not the best one. Over here, I used around 74% and I got 7 hours and 3 minutes screen on time, during which I used TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, Me Fitness apps, and some other applications. If I go over here, I used 75% and I got 6 hours and 39 minutes. Over here, I used 75% again and I got 6 hours and 24 minutes screen on time. Over here, I used 70%. I got 5 hours and 24 minutes screen on time. Now, as you can see, it is a decent screen on time. It is not a bad screen on time on the beta 2, but it's not that good. Even yesterday, I got a comment from you guys that there was a guy who installed the iOS 26.1 beta 2, and he said battery was draining a lot, and he, downgraded back to the iOS 26.0.1. So for some people, there was battery draining with the 26.1 beta 2. So I am expecting that this beta 3 will definitely fix all these issues. It will be fixing bad battery life. It will be fixing battery draining that was happening on the beta 2 for some users. So definitely I'm going to talk about the battery life and all those stuff in my tomorrow's 24-hour review video. But yeah, iOS 26.1 beta 3 is out. Now, if you guys ask me what is new, now, what is new video is also coming on the channel. This is not a what is new video. This is just about that iOS 26.1 beta 3 is out, how you can install this update, and what you can expect from this update in terms of battery life. So I really want Apple to bring a better battery life with this update. Let's see, because I'm definitely going to install this update right after this video, and then I will start finding out what is new, and will post another video very, very soon. Well, that's all from this video, and hope to catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.